Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by choosing the browser you want as your main one. Pick based on speed, extensions, privacy, or device sync. Once selected, download the latest installer from the official site and verify the version. Run the installer and follow prompts. Make sure to allow updates and set up optional sync if you intend to keep bookmarks across devices. When the app finishes installing, do not launch yet. Proceed to the next step to set it as default so systems and links open correctly. Now you change the system default so links open where you want them. On Windows, go to Settings, Apps, Default Apps, then pick Web Browser. On macOS, open System Settings, go to Desktop and Dock or Default Browser and select your new browser. Once done, make sure to associate common file types and protocols. HTML, HTML, HTTP, HTTPS, and Mailto, so attachments and links route correctly. If using multiple profiles, ensure the correct profile is set to avoid. Finish by importing bookmarks, passwords, and history so your workflow resumes immediately. Most browsers offer an import tool under Settings. Once imported, configure extensions, privacy controls, sync, and startup tabs to match your preferences. Test by opening links from email and files to confirm they open in the new browser. If something goes wrong, clear cache and cookies, check default app settings again, or reinstall the browser. If persistent, reset browser settings to defaults before contacting support. This often resolves odd behaviors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.